Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to discuss 7 most useful apps for Android that will make your life easier. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know 7 most useful apps for Android. First, Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage solution available on Android devices where all new users get 15 GB for free permanently upon signing up. You can, of course, buy more if needed. What makes Google Drive so special is the suite of Android apps that are attached to it. They include Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Photos, Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Keep. Some of the features of this app include live collaboration, deep sharing features, and compatibility with Microsoft Office documents. It's easy to use, you get 15 GB of free storage for your documents, and the cross-platform support is pretty good. The next app comes after Google Drive is Google Assistant or Google Search. Second, Google Assistant or Google Search. Google app is definitely one of the most useful apps ever. It contains 2 basic things, Google Assistant and Google Feed. Google Assistant answers basically any question, sets up reminders, turns smart lights on and off, and even pulls up songs or videos for you. Google Feed is, well, a feed with tons of stuff, including weather, news, and news. Now, let's take a look at next Android useful app. Third, YouTube. YouTube is probably the most useful app on mobile. Sure, most use it for music videos or product reviews. However, there is a healthy and huge underbelly of tutorials, lessons, lectures, explainers, and other videos. It is free if you don't mind advertising. You can pay $9.99 per month to remove ads, enable background play, and get a complimentary subscription to Google Play Music. Another best app that comes after YouTube is Google Maps. Fourth, Google Maps. Google Maps virtually owns the navigation app scene and it remains of the best Android apps ever. It gets frequent, almost weekly updates that seem to only add to its incredibly generous list of existing features. Aside from the very basics, Google Maps gives you access to places of interest, traffic data, directions to things like rest stops or gas stations, and you can download maps for offline use. The next app comes after Google Maps is WhatsApp. Fifth, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a free, multi-platform messaging app that lets users make video and voice calls, send text messages, share their status, and more with just a Wi-Fi connection. Part of what makes this app appealing is that it works on various phone and computer operating systems, so you can continue your conversation anytime, anywhere. The next app comes after WhatsApp is Nova Launcher. Sixth, Nova Launcher. Nova Launcher seems to be extending beyond what normal launchers are. It's been around for years, it's been consistently updated, and thus it's always been a great launcher replacement option. It comes with a host of features, including the ability to back up and restore your home screen setups, icon theming for all of your Android apps, tons of customization elements for the home screen and app drawer, and more. So, you must try it once. Seventh, Facebook. The Facebook app does more than help you stay connected with your friends and relatives. It's also your personal organizer for storing, saving and sharing photos. It's easy to share photos straight from your Android camera, and you have full control over your photos and privacy settings. You can choose when to keep individual photos private or even set up a secret photo album to control who sees it. So, this is all about 7 best and most useful apps for Android that will make your life easier. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.